How to delete Snapchat account 72 hours problem. This tutorial will guide you through the process of deleting your Snapchat account, particularly addressing the 72-hour waiting period issue many users encounter. Whether you're looking to permanently delete your account or troubleshoot the deletion process, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the necessary actions smoothly. Now, launch the app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Select the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to the Account Actions section. Tap on Delete Account. Snapchat enforces a 72-hour waiting period before your account is permanently deleted. This allows you to change your mind and reactivate your account if you log back in during this time. If you decide to reactivate your account within the 72 hours, simply log back in using your credentials and your account will be restored. Deleting your Snapchat account is straightforward if you follow the necessary steps and understand the 72-hour waiting period. Remember to act quickly if you decide to reactivate your account. For any troubleshooting, check for updates or contact support if needed. Now, you can proceed confidently to manage your Snapchat account effectively.
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.